Friends, so welcome to Crypto, the one-stop solution. This is video number 172 on the series of crypto bots. We are going to analyze this token named Cardia Chain. We are going to see how we can set up this bot using Bitscape application and KuCoin exchange, and based on those analysis from CoinMarketCap.com, we are going to set up a spot grid bot of this particular token. So this is video number 172 on the series of crypto bots. So first of all, let us start with CoinMarketCap website. The ticker is KAI and the name of the token is Cardia Chain. And the ticker is KAI. It is trading at a price of $0.003914. It is having a market cap of $18.6 million, which is having a rank of 589, and trading volume is $137,000, which is having a rank of 1599 respectively. It is having a circulating supply of 4.75 billion KAI tokens, which is having a percentage of 95.16%, and total maximum supply of this token is 5 billion number of tokens. So 95% of the token is already into the blockchain. That is a good thing, because only 4.85% of the supply is still pending. That can create an inflation of the blockchain during the entire lifespan of this token. So it is trading at a low price, so we can take advantage of this low price and also the range movement of this particular token. Currently, the market cap of this token is $18.64 million. It is based on Ethereum blockchain, so it is a token, not a coin. You can also see the website and white paper of this token from the link mentioned in the CoinMarketCap website. Now, this is the main website of this token, that is Cardia Chain. You can see DEX, Wallet Explorer, the social media links, home, about us, token resources. Everything is available on the website. Introducing the KAI. So this is the main highlight of this token. You can see the main highlight. You can check out the website. You can check out the ecosystem partners of this token. And this is the white paper of this token, which is 11 pages long in PDF format, which is available on CoinMarketCap website. And the main highlight is the first decentralized, interoperable and self-optimized blockchain ecosystem. And these were developed by these gentlemen. It is having an abstract. It is having our philosophy, background, all this data and algorithm mathematics behind the development of blockchain is available on the white paper of this token. Okay, so this was the website, this was the white paper. Now let us see the Ethereum blockchain. So it is based on Ethereum blockchain. So you can check out the holder section of this particular token. Now click on the holder section of this token, and you can see the first address is holding a majority stake, that is 72.43%. Click on this address and you can see the analytics of this holding. So you can see there are no transfer on this address. That means there are no transfer. That is a good thing once again, because this is kind of dead wallet. It is, the person is just holding all the tokens, which is having the majority stake. So because of this address, because of this holding, there is no significant pump or dump into the market. Okay, now let us see the price action of this token. It is trading at a price of $0.0039. Now this is a 1 day candlestick chart. That means each and every candle which is being formatted, that is of 1 day period. So for example, this green candle is of 14 July, the next candle is of 15 July and so on. So it is trading at a price of $0.0039. So let us keep the high price at 0.0049 and the support at 0.0025. So this is the low price and this is the high price. Alright, now let us use the long position. Select the market price. The high price is at 0.0049, which is 25.46% on the upside, and the downside is 36.01%. Now select Bitscape, go to start bot, grid bot, investment is $100. The ticker is KAI, so you can select KAI over here. Select the USDT pair. Let us keep the investment equal to $100. Go to manual adjustment. The low price is 0.0025. High price is 0.0049. 50 number of levels, for example, trailing up is turned off. Click on backtest. Trading fee is 0.1%, and based on those values, the return on per month basis, that is equal to 4.25%. Alright, so click on continue and final check all the parameters and then start the bot. So that's how you can start a bot of KAI token on Bitscape application. Now let us see how you can set up the same bot using KuCoin exchange. So search KAI over here, click on this. The KAI token will load up in the center screen, and then you can set up the parameters from tradingview.com. The low price is 0.0025. High price is 0.0049. Let us keep number of placed orders equal to 100. So based on these three values, the low price, high price and the number of levels, the required investment is $17.7. Okay. So entry price is not required, stop loss not required, and take profit price is little bit higher than the upper price, that is equal to $0.00491. So after entering all these parameters, you can set up the bot on KuCoin exchange itself. So that's it for this video, and that's the next one.